Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15ADA0031NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15ADA0031NS is getting too hot, you're not alone. This overheating can be caused by dried out thermal paste, which fails to effectively dissipate heat from the CPU. If left unaddressed, this can lead to hardware damage and a significantly shortened lifespan for your laptop. Ensuring proper cooling is vital for maintaining performance and longevity. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, thermal paste, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Then, place it on a flat, stable surface. Carefully remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws, which can typically be found around the edges. Remember to keep them in a safe place. Once the cover is off, you'll locate the CPU, usually situated near the cooling fan. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it. Be gentle to avoid damaging any connectors. Using a spudger, carefully lift the cooler away from the CPU, revealing the old thermal paste. Wipe away the old paste using a lint-free cloth dipped in isopropyl alcohol. It's crucial to ensure the surface is clean and dry before applying new thermal paste. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of new thermal paste onto the center of the CPU. When you reattach the cooler, it will spread the paste evenly. Reconnect any cables you detached earlier, and replace the back cover by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent overheating in the future, ensure your laptop is used on hard surfaces to allow airflow and consider using compressed air to clean out dust from the vents regularly. This will help maintain optimal cooling performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.